If you're looking for a light-duty truck for every occasion, we've got this pre-owned 2023 Nissan Frontier S. Black in color, V6 power underneath the hood, 16-inch steel wheels all the way around, wrapped in all-season tires. Inside, we have premium cloth console shifter. We do have our USB hubs here for connectivity, both USB A and C. Also climate controls, 10-inch screen on the center stack for all of our apps and everything else. We have a traditional gauge cluster with a digital driver information station and hands-free controls. Big carpets up front and in the back. Seating total for 5. Also, we do have USB hubs in the back for USB A and USB C. In the back, 4 tie downs, plenty of room for cargo here with the tailgate, and we are ready to rock for the road and with a little bit of cargo here on our pre-owned 2023 Nissan Frontier S right here at Payne Pre-Owned Harlingen. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo Que Tu Quieres, regardless.